Hey, welcome back guys to part 10 on PHP and MySQL based newsletter system. So today we would be writing our final code in order to send any newsletter. Very first we need a select all button here on the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this send.php file with my text editor. Okay, out here we would be writing the JavaScript, or I would say jQuery, in order to make a button functional that will select all of the names at one time. But before that, we need to create that button as well. So I will go to the file which says list users. Out here on the top, I'm going to create a button. I'm going to say echo input type would be a checkbox, and the name would be, say, select all. Value would be nothing, and I'm gonna give it an ID to select all. Okay, and out here I would say select all. Let's see how does it looks, and we can give a couple of break tags as well. If you want, you can install it with CSS, but again, I'm okay with the break tags for now. I will go back here. I will write my jQuery in order to make this particular checkbox functional. So what I'm gonna say is $id select all dot click function. We are binding a click event to this particular button. Then I'm gonna say $this dot parent, and that will be, if you have Firebug, you can actually check out. If you will see, all of these checkboxes are inside a div which says list users, so they all have the same parent of list users. Okay, then I'm gonna say dot find is actually a function that will find all of the child elements inside a parent. Find all checkboxes. Okay, dot attribute, and change their attribute to checked, and if they all are checked, I also want this particular one to be checked as well. So $this dot check. I believe that's all, and let's see if that works. No, that's not working. There might be some error. That's fine, I'm gonna check it out. It's a syntax error. Where? Okay, let's check out where we have our syntax error. So first, I needed some icon here. I'm gonna say $this dot parents list users find checkbox. I believe this one needs to be inside quotes. What I believe. Yep, that was a problem. This one needs to be inside the single or double quotes, but that's okay. Now we are able to select all of them. Now we would be writing our send now the PHP page in order to send the newsletter to our users. So come here, come to your root folder. Here, I'm gonna create a page. I'm gonna say send now.php. Okay, here I will open the PHP tab. First, I want to include a file, that would be our connection file. Okay, after that, guys, we have to send our newsletter ID from this page to that page, so that we can actually grab everything for that particular newsletter from our database. So one thing we can do it, we can append it in our URL, like a get variable. So I'm going to say NID, that would be the newsletter ID, is equals to $get ID. If you remember from the last video, get ID as something we are getting here from the URL. Okay, so I believe that's all done for this particular page. Here I have to say if is set $post submit then I'm gonna say echo count $post. Okay, just want to show you what this particular thing gonna do. First, I'm gonna refresh it. That's fine. Then I'm gonna hit send. It says include once connection.php failed because we are in the root, so it needs to be scripts / connection.php. Again, refresh. Okay. It does not count at anything. It says echo count $post. Okay, go back, check out here. It has a name of a send, not a submit. I got that. I'll refresh it again. Here it says 19. Guys, 19 are the actual post request we are getting from this page. Now, you might be thinking there are only 6 names. So why we are getting 19 requests? There need to be 6. Let me clear one thing to you guys. Come here to list users.php page. If you will notice, with one input box, we have 2 hidden fields, and they are also the part of the post variables. Okay, so with 1, we are actually sending 3. So with 6, there would be 18, and the 19th one for this particular submit button. This is also a post variable. Okay, so in total, we are getting 19 requests